Magandang araw po. Dahil papalapit na po ang end of school year, gusto po nating i-share sa inyo ang tungkol sa DepEd Order number 36, Series 2016, Policy Guidelines on Awards and Recognition for the K-12 Basic Education Program. Makikita sa enclosure nitong DepEd Order sa pahina 3, Table 1, Academic Excellence Award. Nakalagay po dito, number 1 with highest honors, may pinakamataas na karangalan, ay dapat magkaroon ng average grade per quarter na 98 to 100. Number 2 with high honors, may mataas na karangalan, average grade per quarter 95 to 97. Number 3 with honors, may karangalan, average grade per quarter 90 to 94. At may nilabas na DepEd Memorandum number 030 Series 2021, clarification on the recognition of academic excellence awardees per DepEd Order number 36 Series 2016. Nakalagay po dito sa paragraph number 2, this department orders that announcement of learners who have been awarded academic excellence awards, example with honors, with high honors, with highest honors, must be made in alphabetical order within categories, not from highest to lowest average grade, within categories. For example, given 3 learners awarded with honors, example lang po,